Hey guys, this is Black. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discover the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. This diagram shows the high-level relationship between JDK, JRE and JVM. Let's dive in and get into the glory details. What is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development kit used by developers to create, compile and run Java applications. The JDK includes tools such as Java compiler, debugger and other utilities essential for Java programming. The JDK is a comprehensive package provided by Oracle for Java development. JDK features. Compiler. The JDK includes the Java compiler, Java-C, which translates Java source code into bytecode, an intermediate form that can be executed by the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. JVM. The Java Virtual Machine is a crucial part of the JDK. It interprets and executes Java bytecode, making Java a platform-independent language. Different operating systems have their own JVM implementations. Java API. The JDK comes with a rich set of class libraries and application programming interfaces, APIs, that provide ready-to-use functions for tasks like file handling, networking, database connectivity, and more. Development tools. It includes tools like Java P, Java Class File Disassembler, Java Doc, Java Documentation Generator, and JAR, Java Archive Tool, for packaging and deploying Java applications. Debugger. Java provides debugging tools such as JDB, Java Debugger, for identifying and fixing issues in Java code. Security tools. The JDK includes tools and utilities to manage security aspects, assuring the safety of Java applications. What is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It is a software package that provides the runtime support for Java applications. While the JDK is used by developers for Java application development, the JRE is used by end users to run already developed Java applications. The JDK includes the JRE but adds additional development tools for creating and compiling Java code. JRE features. Execution environment. JRE is designed to provide the necessary runtime components for executing Java applications. It includes the Java Virtual Machine, which interprets and runs Java bytecode. Java class libraries. JRE includes the Java class libraries and APIs required for the execution of Java programs. These libraries provide a range of functionalities from basic data structures to advanced utilities. No development tools. Unlike the JDK, JRE does not contain development tools such as compilers and debuggers. It is solely focused on providing the runtime environment for already compiled Java applications. Deployment. JRE is commonly installed on end users' machine to enable them to run Java applications. It ensures that users can execute Java programs without needing the development tools provided by the JDK. What is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a crucial component of the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, and the Java Development Kit, JDK. The JVM is a critical component in the Java ecosystem, providing a runtime environment that enables the execution of Java applications on diverse platforms while offering features like memory management, bytecode interpretation, and security enforcement. JVM features. Execution environment. JVM is an abstract computing machine that provides the runtime environment for executing Java bytecode. It acts as an interface between the compiled Java program and the underlying hardware and operating system. Platform independence. One of the key features of JVM is its ability to make Java programs platform independent. Java source code is compiled into bytecode, which is then interpreted and executed by the JVM. This allows Java applications to run on any system with a compatible JVM, irrespective of the underlying architecture or OS. Bytecode interpretation. JVM interprets the Java bytecode line by line and dynamically converts it into native machine code for the specific platform during runtime. This enables the write once and run anywhere capability of Java. Memory management. JVM is responsible for managing memory during the execution of Java programs. It handles tasks such as memory allocation, garbage collection, and resource management to ensure efficient and secure program execution. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.